Let's start DOM to para. So before create DOM to parametric, our first step is create a point where we have to create a RC system. So be, before create so before create a point, we have to create a new geometrical set. So name as our new geometrical set as name DOM to para. Okay. Then create a point. Point type is circle. Then create another point. Same point type is circle. In both point, we have to create another point, and point type is between. Then create a axis system. Axis system, then adjust x axis, y axis. According to that, x and y, z will be adjusted. Then choose the origin point. Okay. Then create another point on inclined circle. Let take the circle. Let point type will be circle. Then on that point, create a new axis system. Adjust x and y. Okay. Yes. Then create a new body. On that body, then select the sketch position. Here always choose be vertical and edge. Edge is our left right side. But then project all the edges of the part. And always remember our projected lines are not in always in DOM. Okay, always in DOM. Then create a closed loop, closed sketch, so that we can pad. So before pad, from assist system to con edge, we have to measure how much we have to pad. So here our distance is 30 and 30. So go to pad, choose pad option, and here length is 30 and mirror extent. Okay. Okay. Then create another body for incline. So for incline, our incline axis, take incline axis, then sketch. So the same projected incline axis, uh, incline axis part, and create a circle so that we can match the profile of our part. Okay. Then extend to create a close sketch. Okay. Always take always remember always our sketch will be not con not project or not contact with the dump body. Okay. So our sketch always in dump body. Then pad. Here pad will be anything because we are going to sell there. so don't worry. Then create another body, add first body on that new body, then add another body to the new body. Here we are using Boolean operation on, then create another body to remove the inclined portion. So for inclined portion remove, choose an incline axis, project the remove part area, then create a circle to, or you can create directly circle, or you can here I am creating a circle, try to create a circle. It is I think it is not possible, but it is get some difficult, get some problem. So no, okay, first project project a circle, half circle, then construction, then give construction to the circle and create a line which is tangent to the that circle, then extend the lines. This is the our this type of circle, extend the lines. This is our means this is our okay. Then choose the pad option, then pad up to some limit, then give right agent so that we can achieve our circle which is sketch. Okay, okay, then remove from add to the body, remove, choose remove option. Then to remove some holes, first we have to create a body, then project a circle, then choose close arc, then pad up to some limit, anything, then add to the body option will be remove, means remove from our main body. Then choose another to circle to remove. So create a sketch. Okay, okay. Here we are to some mistake. First, then create a body. On that body, new body, we have to sketch our circle, sketch our object, anything. Then sketch the circle. So it is a mirror. So we have to one sketch opposite one sketch. Then close that, exit one page, then pad, then mirror the pad with LZ plane. Then remove from our main body. Okay. Then measure the measure the radius. Measure the radius. Here is the radius is 10 mm. All the corners radius. Measure here radius is 2 mm. Then measure the radius. Then it is 30 mm. Then go to the fillet. Then give 10 mm both side. Then fillet. Give fillet 10 mm here. No. Give fillet 2 mm. Okay. Then here is 30. Okay, it is perfectly matched. Then delete all the measure values. Okay, here is the radius, blend radius measure 6.35. Then give fillet 6.35. Okay, it is perfectly matched. See, it is perfectly matched. Then measure the thickness of the part, down part. Here thickness is 3.175. Then height the down part. Then go to cell option. Give the cell all the portion, all the remove parts. Cell or choose all the remove parts. Give the default value, cell value. Then see it is perfectly matched. Hide all the axes, points. Hide all, hide all the points. See, okay, on hide. Then dump it on hide. Then see. Okay, here is some issue. Here is our fillet. So give fillet here also. Measure. Okay, radius is 3.175. Then outer radius 6.35. Okay. Then go to fillet. Give fillet value 75. Okay. Give the value 3.75. See, check it is matched or not. Okay. I think some issue is there. We give some I give some wrong value. Radius is 6.35 showing. Check. Okay, it is bigger value. Okay, match of on hydro compared. Okay, it is some issue is there. I think I keep some wrong value. Still 75. Then second at 6.35. Okay, it is perfectly matched. But this is the I think this is the wrong method. Giving fillet after sale. Okay, so I am going to delete those two fillet. Delete cell. Okay, define our body. Okay, hide the down part. Before cell, give the radius value 3.175. Then check it is matched or not. Okay, it is matched, perfectly matched. Okay, give cell. Cell value is 3.175. Remove, give all the bar cell, all remove out. Okay, see, it is perfectly matched. So in this way, we are going to do Tom 2 and Tom 2 part. Thank you.